Hey friends, this is Melissa Twig and I'm coming to you from Lima, Peru, of all places. I am with a wonderful organization that's called Make a Miracle, and I have two heroes with me today. We are actually, remote years here, on a project to build a home today. And not only is it our team, there's about 12 to 15 of us. The students who came from this organization are also required to help. And so I got two heroes with me here. This is Eric.
Hi.
And this is Hafed.
Hello.
Now, I'll tell you this. All of you know how I feel about YouTube University, if you've been following at all. And I do believe it is the key to the universe. I think that it will become the Great Equalizer. So let me tell you what Hafed has done. He is a product of this system, and he has gone to YouTube and learned how to cut hair. And so now he is working his way through college with hair, and he's also giving back to his beautiful community right here, right now. And so he's probably done 15 haircuts today.
Yeah.
And we both have been doing haircuts all day, while my team is up a few stories up at a building there doing a home today. The homes are very, very modest. There won't be any indoor plumbing. I think there'll be a floor and then 4 walls. Mm-hmm. Yes. And the people that are getting the home are just absolutely thrilled about it. And of course they also work on it as well, don't they? So Hafed is in school right now to learn film and communications. Yes. Isn't he gorgeous? And I will say this, he is also such a good barber already. He could come to the United States. He could go to work in the finest salon with this beautiful look and also that accent, you know, and he could make a lot of money. So I've been coaching him about the business of hair. But here's the beautiful thing about YouTube. It doesn't matter if you want to learn to flip houses, if you want to become a stockbroker. It doesn't matter if you want to cut hair. And the beauty industry, by the way, has been very, very good to me. So I'm very pro hair. And I'll tell you this, there's always a little girl in the projects or in a place like this, just like today. I was teaching braiding. And there's always a little girl that's very, very interested, or a little boy. And if we can just grow this channel, what will happen is I can go to Paul Mitchell and say, you know, we need cosmetology kits here. Hafed needs new clippers right now. We need combs. We need shears. We need a lot of things here. And if you can help me grow my channel, Melissa Twig Talks, I will send a link to it. If you help me grow that, then I can approach, like for example, Wet Brush, which is my favorite brush company. And I can say, we need 1,000 brushes. So this is how this works. We grow the community, and you just get to sit in your living room. But I hope that you become moved today when you see some more things. We're headed up to the house now, but I hope you become moved, and I hope that you'll support this organization. It is actually the founder is from Georgia, Mama Carolyn.
Yeah.
Is from Georgia, right next door to Sweet Home, Alabama. And these kids are so fortunate to have a network of people that will help them that are local and not so local. And so if you'd like to donate monthly, if you'd like to make one donation, if you'd like to send 100 brushes, and Carol Hill, I want you to know that you have donated to this organization when you gave me money before I left. I didn't know how I was going to use it, but this is how I'm going to use it. And we've got a young girl here. Katie is how old is Katie? Probably
24 years old.
24 years old, and she has been here since for 2 years now with this organization, and she's just, you're going to meet her in a few minutes. But I just want to say that this is giving, and this is what happens. He can make. He's got a scholarship to college. You have a scholarship to college as well. Your English is fantastic. He was so nervous today.
Yeah.
But this is what giving and giving back you can receive. And guess what else happened today? We had 2 girls donate ponytails to my favorite charity back home, which is childrenwithhairloss.org. So hair from Peru, from a very poor girl is going to go to another girl across the world, across the entire world. So yeah, they can't give money and maybe they'll never visit, they say, who cares? They took their time and they took their beautiful Peruvian hair and they put it in my care, and I am going to make sure that it gets to childrenwithhairloss.org, and anytime that you get ready to donate hair, make sure that you do donate to that particular company. I just love them. So, or that organization, I should say. Hafed, I wish you all the best, and I hope we'll see you on Ellen soon, okay? He's also, please, he is also in film and communication, so, you never know. Ellen, you might need this guy here. Do you want to say anything about this organization, what it's done for you?
¿Quieres decir alguna cosa acerca de la organización, lo que ha hecho por ti?
Sí, estoy muy agradecido por todo lo que hace el Team Miracle, porque así como yo, hay muchas personas que necesitan ayuda. Aquí en este distrito, que es la mayoría de las personas son pobres, es muy difícil salir adelante con muchos riesgos que hay entre nosotros los jóvenes, que es drogas,
sí,
pandillas.
Okay. He said that he's so proud of being here because it's a good help for everybody who is here, and also there are a lot of people who are poor. So many people who doesn't have enough money, they could bring into drugs or some guns and something like that. So that's why he's so proud of being here, because Team Make a Miracle is helping him so much.
Oh, that's wonderful. And how about you, Eric? What has been your experience with Make a Miracle?
Well, I'm here, it's my first year, so I'm so proud of Make a Miracle, because they helped me a lot, really. It's like I want to stop studying at the university because I didn't have enough money to continue with my university. So I applied here, and they told me, Mom Caroline told me that I could apply, and she told me yeah, and so that's what I'm here. I totally appreciate Mom Caroline, because she's so gorgeous, she's so amazing, she has a beautiful heart with helping people who is from another country who she doesn't know.
That's right.
So it's amazing. I love really that.
Yeah. It's a beautiful thing, and there's I saw a lot of kids and a lot of kids giving back. A lot of kids are here, and they want to be here. It's not because you're making them be here. And I think we could take a lesson from that in the U.S. Honestly, we could do a lot more with our housing and our gardens and that kind of thing. So I appreciate the maturity of you young men and everybody that's in this program, and I just want to say that it has been a really beautiful day for me, and I feel like it's been a total success already. So we're headed up to the house to see how that's going. I think if I make this interview go longer, I don't have to go up there and do all that work. No,
okay.
I've already, trust me, I've been working today. So we are headed up to the house, and if you have any questions or comments, or if you would like to give to Make a Miracle, you can find them on Instagram at
like Eric Josué Carrión Arevalo.
Make a Miracle.
Make a Miracle today.
Yeah, and you can find them on the internet at makeamiracle.net. Okay? So we'll be with you guys in a little bit. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.